Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix Home would like to send you critical alerts on your iPhone. So if in the case that you guys are facing issues like this, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to solve this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we actually need to do in order for us to solve simple issues like this, if in the case that this specific prompt keeps on showing up on your iPhone device, what we can actually do is to make sure that we are using the latest version of our iOS software. So going over onto your settings application and then hopping over on the software update and looking if you have the option for us to download a new software is also going to fix bugs like this. So make sure that you are using the latest version of the iOS software so that normal bugs like this would be fixed. Now, one more thing that we could also do in order for us to solve this issue is to do a quick force restart of our device. So in order for us to actually do a force restart, what we need to do is to quickly press and then release the volume up button, and then press and quickly release the volume down button, and finally press and hold the slide button on the right hand side of your device until you see the Apple logo. And once this is done, release the button and then proceed with restarting your iPhone device. Now essentially what this is going to do is it's going to do a quick force restart of your iPhone device, solving issues and normal bugs like this. So go ahead and try it out yourselves and see if it is going to solve your problem. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like it and subscribe, and take care.